Coming home again, home to you, into the blue, my heart will lead to find that place again where I won't be lonely, where the mountains and valleys and rivers whisper your name. Echoes, they travel so fast, speaking so clear of the past, telling me I have a long way to go before I will find you at last. I'm coming home again, home to you. While the waves carry my dreams on through the night, the sea is dark and cold and goes on forever, but the moon and the stars and the sun will show me the way. I'm coming home again. The pain and the hurt and the tears, the longing I felt through the years, the road I have traveled so blindly before is now leading back to your door. I'm coming home again, home to you, and the mountains and valleys and rivers that whisper your name. I'll find that place again where I won't be lonely. The moon and the stars and the sun will show me the way. I'm coming home again. I'll find that place again. I'm coming home again.